guys, this is Zach from Evolve Strategic Marketing, finishing the last video we have about search engine optimization. So the last thing we have with search engine optimization is technical aspects of SEO. So we're going to jump right into this. The first thing is broken links. Now, what are broken links? They're exactly what they sound like. There are things that happen when you are on a website and you press a link and it goes to what is called a 404 page. It doesn't work. There's nothing there. When people run into this, they hate it. It really gives them something that they're unhappy about. So what you want to make sure is that you don't have any broken links. You need to go through each page of your website, check every single link that is there, make sure that it goes somewhere and doesn't leave them, guessing what they're trying to find out. The next subject we have is blog architecture. So what that means is you can have a blog that has many pages, maybe 5 pages. And instead of having a back and a previous button where they have to go deeper and deeper and deeper into the website to find the information, at the bottom or even at the top of the page, you're going to want to have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5 that they can just click on, making it easier for search engines to jump from page to page to page. Realize it's all about the technology and about having crawlers be able to find the information that you want. Pretty easy to do. So most bloggers, most IT people, most website designers will know how to do that. So make sure that you get that done for your website. The next subject we're going to talk about is original content. Now this might seem something that you would think everybody is doing, but it's not true. There are a lot of people that will go on the internet, copy other people's content, and then try to, sell it as their own. And what actually happens is Google knows where content came from. So if somebody wrote a blog article and it was the first place that it ever showed up on the internet, Google's gonna tag that. And if they find that content in somebody else's website later, they're going to penalize that person. So you're gonna wanna make sure that whatever content that you write, it is original and that your website designer, your IT team, anybody that's putting that stuff up for you actually tags it as original so that Google knows it came from you first. Pretty simple, and most of the IT guys will know exactly how to handle that. The next one we have is Schema. Now, this is actually very, very technical. I'm not gonna get into the whole mumbo jumbo about what's involved in this. What you should actually do is make your IT team, your web developers, learn what this is if they don't know what it is. And when they do, make them start using it for your website. The basic information is Schema makes it easier for search engines to know exactly what is on the internet. And there's a lot of technical terms that go into that, but just make sure that your web team is doing that for your website. Lastly, we have the XML Sitemap. What is that? Generally, if you go on a website and you go down to the bottom of the page, you'll see what is called an XML sitemap. It's a map of every single page on the website and the content that they can find. People do this to make it easy for Google, Yahoo, Bing, the search engines to find exactly what information it is that you want to be crawled. So if you put it on your sitemap, make sure that you want it to be crawled, that you want Google to know that it's there or any other search engine, and it just makes it a lot easier for the search engines to know what's on your website. Pretty simple stuff. So that's everything that we have on the technical SEO blog. Make sure that you look at it. Each one of our blogs actually has very in-depth detail about all the videos that we just covered, and we'll see you next time.